Richard Branson, the billionaire rebel behind Virgin, built an empire by breaking the rules, having fun, listening more, and daring to take wild risks. Forget what you think you know about leadership. Welcome to the Virgin Way. Everything I know about leadership. 1. Listen more than you speak. Quote, "The most important thing about running a company is to remember all the time what a company is. A company is simply a group of people. And as a leader, if you take care of your people, they will take care of your customers. Imagine you're in a meeting where the boss talks non-stop. No one else gets a word in. Now, picture Branson. He listens, nods, asks questions. He believes great leaders shut up and learn. His advice? Be all ears, because that's where the best ideas come from. 2. Screw it, just do it. Quote, "You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over." In the 80s, Branson wanted to start an airline. He had no planes, no experience, just an idea and guts. Everyone thought he was nuts, but he chartered a plane, sold tickets, and boom! Virgin Atlantic was born. His secret? Take the leap, figure it out on the way down. 3. Fun is serious business. Quote, "Some 80% of your life is spent working. You want to have fun at home. Why shouldn't you have fun at work? Ever been in a dull office with zombie employees? Not at Virgin. Branson turned work into play, from in-office parties to surprise vacations for his staff. His logic? Happy teams build better businesses. If work isn't fun, something's wrong. 4. Find people smarter than you. Quote, "If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room." Branson admits he's not the best at accounting, logistics, or even flying planes, but he hires people who are. Leadership isn't about knowing everything. It's about surrounding yourself with brilliance and trusting them to shine. 5. Say yes first, figure it out later. Quote, "Opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming." When Branson got a call asking if they could handle mobile networks, he said, "Yes." Problem: Virgin had zero telecom experience. Solution: they found experts and made it happen. Lesson: say yes to big chances, then work out the details. So, what's the Virgin way? Listen more, take risks, have fun, hire smart, say yes, break rules, and make a difference. Leadership isn't about suits and speeches. It's about daring to live boldly. Now go out and lead like a virgin.